Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says two satellites A and B of masses 200 kg and 400 kg are revolving round the Earth at height of 600 km and 1600 km respectively. If TA and TB are the time periods of A and B respectively, then the value of TB minus TA given radius of Earth is equals to 6400 km and mass of Earth is equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Option A 3.33 into 10 to the power 2 second. Option B 1.33 into 10 to the power 3 second. Option C 4.24 into 10 to the power 2 second. And option D 4.24 into 10 to the power 2 second. So the key concept that is used to solve this question is gravitation. In this question, the given information is radius of satellite, जिसको हम RA से डिनोट करते हैं, will be equals to 6400 plus 600, 7000 किलोमीटर, जिसको हम मीटर में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो 7000 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 3 मीटर, और जो हमारा रेडियस ऑफ सैटेलाइट जिसको हम RB से डिनोट करेंगे, दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 6400 प्लस 1600. अगेन दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 8000 किलोमीटर, और इसको हम मीटर में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो 8000 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 3 मीटर. टाइम पीरियड T is given by 2 pi square root of R cube divided by G into ME. So इधर हम अगर टाइम पीरियड ऑफ A कैलकुलेट करेंगे, so this will be denoted as TA, which will be equals to square root of 4 pi square RA cube divided by GME. On putting down the values, this will be equals to 4 pi square into RA का वैल्यू हमने कैलकुलेट किया था 7000 into 10 to the power 3 to the power 3 divided by GME. Similarly, अगर हम टाइम पीरियड ऑफ B कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो TB will be equals to square root of 4 pi square RB to the power 3 divided by GME. इधर हम अगर RB का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 4 pi square into 8000 into 10 to the power 3 to the power 3 divided by GME. So finally TB minus TA का वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, which will be equals to square root of 4 pi square 8000 into 10 to the power 3 to the power 3 divided by GME minus square root of 4 pi square into 7000 into 10 to the power 3 to the power 3 divided by GME. So इसको सॉल्व करने पे this will be equals to 2 pi square root of 8000 into 10 to the power 3 to the power 3 divided by GME minus square root of 7000 into 10 to the power 3 divided by GME. This will be equals to 2 into 3.14 into square root of 8000 into 10 to the power 3 minus 7000 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 6.674 into 10 to the power minus 11 into मास ऑफ द अर्थ जिसका वैल्यू 6 into 10 to the power 24 क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1.33 into 10 to the power 3 सेकेंड. सो हमारा फाइनल आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी 1.33 into 10 to the power 3 second. Hope you will understand.